Letitia's Third Eye POV. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to the channel. And thank you for watching.
Tirupati Tirumala Temple in southern India, the most visited holy place in the world. 40 to 50 million pilgrims visit every year. It is also one of the largest collectors of human hair in the world, 500 tons a year. Most of the virgin hair weaves and wigs worn in Africa and the world originate here. It is considered a virtue for Indian women to have long hair, a sign of great beauty. So why are they giving it up? Sacrificing hair to the gods is thought to bring good luck.
வேலைக்கு போகலன்னா பெருசா வேலைக்கு போனால் தான் நமக்கு காசும் கஷ்டம் இருக்காது. வேலைக்கு போனால் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? கூடி வேலைக்கு போகிறது கிடையாது, பசங்க சரி கிடையாது. மொட்டை அடிக்கணும்னு அடிக்கல, சரி கோயிலுக்கு வேண்டியது இருந்தோம், சரி எப்படி இருந்தாலும் கோயிலுக்கு தானே கொடுத்துட்டு போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்லியிருந்தோம். கோயிலுக்கு வர சொல்லியா? அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, சாமி கொண்டு பார்த்துட்டு போவோம். அதை நம்பிக்கை தான். அவ்வளோதான். நம்ம கோயிலுக்கு போனால் நல்லா இருக்கும், நம்ம எதுவும் சாமிக்கு வேண்டியது வந்தால் நல்லா இருக்கும். ஒரு மனசு நிம்மதிக்காக வந்து போவோம்.
What did it feel like when the barber was shaving your head?
முடி கட் பண்ண சொல்ல கொஞ்சம் பாரம் கொஞ்சம் மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. அப்புறம் இந்த பக்கம் கட் பண்ண சொல்ல கொஞ்சம் லேஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. கை புருவெல்லாம் எல்லாமே லேஸாக இருக்கும்.
It is not just temple hair that is collected.
$150.
150
Yes.
rupees. Okay. So not bad. Is she happy?
சந்தோஷமா உங்களுக்கு காசு கொடுத்தது கிடைச்சது? Happy.
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 That's a good way of
Yes. It's talking about.
Fascinating. So literally most of this hair comes from Tirupati temple.
It comes from Tirupati temple plus the other temples also. Majorly 80% of the hair comes from Tirupati temple.
80%. So that's a lot of hair.
Absolutely.
How many tons a month?
Roughly around 10 to 15 tons a month only from Tirupati.
So here we've got the steam curly section.
That's right.
This is what's particularly popular in Africa, yeah?
Absolutely. Among the Afro population across the world.
It's a very labour-intensive process.
It is.
So
it
she's
is.
winding the hair
Yeah.
around a metal stick, and then she's rubber banding it, and then what happens after that?
After that it goes for steam process.
Steaming in a steam
A
machine.
steam machine.
And that keeps the curl.
It keeps the curls.
I have seen my future is in Africa, because I have seen hundreds of African women. When they come into our shop, I see the eyes gleaming with happiness, and they see so much hair. Their joys, you can't see how joyful they are, because they think their beauty is enhanced by this wearing this hair.
Because they think their beauty is enhanced by this wearing this hair. Because they think their beauty is enhanced by this wearing this hair.
Phenomenally.
Justine Lang, Chennai, India.
Subscribe and click the notification bell.
Y'all sub up to Letitia too, cause she be dropping that real shit.
Yeah, shout out to Letitia.
Letitia Third Eye POV. Bless up. I'm talking about you putting in the work.
Letitia's Third Eye. Not Letitia.
Oh yeah, especially my sister Letitia, but she's already here.
Letitia's be getting them.
Letitia's Third Eye POV.
Yeah, Letitia pages link. Go sub up to Letitia, so show the sister some support.
Yo, definitely sub up to Letitia Third Eye POV. Facts. Make sure y'all sub up.